souls. Hello, all my Titans. Okay, welcome back to another reaction of Attack on Titan. Please don't jump me, you guys. Okay, I'm so sorry. It has been like, I think 2 weeks since my last upload for Attack on Titan. I'm so sorry about that. I'm trying to balance Attack on Titan, Oshinoko, Dan, and solo leveling on my channel. But Attack on Titan is my priority. So you can definitely expect every Wednesday 2 episodes. I'm gonna start doing 2 episodes in one, and Dan as well. So I'm gonna focus on both of those for YouTube, and then I might just finish solo leveling on my Patreon because it just gets less engagement. So, but I don't know, I just like to watch whatever I want to watch anyway. So I'll still upload it, but Attack on Titan is going to be the priority. So I'll make sure I always, I keep up with it because it is also a lot of episodes and I want to, I don't want to forget stuff and things like that. So I just want to go through it. So I can keep up with what's going on, basically. So yeah, so forgive me, you guys, okay? But yes, and like I said, you can expect 2 episodes every single Wednesday until we are done. And I looked up some of the Attack on Titan movies, but apparently they're just basically all the seasons, like all the episodes put into movie form, which is honestly great for people to watch if you're not maybe if you're new to anime and stuff like that. Because I was thinking, should I watch the Attack on Titan movies as well? But apparently I don't have to because it's just the episodes basically all put together. So yeah, but let's get started with episode 11 and 12. So last thing I remember, he got revealed as a Titan basically, and the one commander was still scared, which is understandable to be honest, and wanted to still drop the bomb on him. But another commander came and was like, we could use him instead. Maybe he could help us patch up the hole in the wall and things like that. So we'll see. And yeah, I didn't want to start this episode until I was able to do 11 and 12 at the same time because I know they're about to get into it. So yeah. But go ahead and grab your snacks, your blankies, popcorn, whatever you need, some juice, some water, okay? And let's watch Attack on Titan episode 11 and 12. They're still struggling for Tross. This is the struggle for Tross part 7. I'm like, oh my goodness. Yes, if you're new to my channel, you can support me over on Patreon at Real Serene. You do get early access. I will be doing exclusive content over there. I just reacted to Supercell Season 1 over on Patreon, and it is staying there. It's not coming to YouTube. And like I said, I will probably finish solo leveling and Oshinoko on Patreon so I can focus on Attack on Titan and Dan for YouTube. I'm going to be watching a bunch of amazing shows on Patreon. This Korean show called Kingdom. The Haunting of Bly Manor is coming up next week. And just more shows. I don't want to give too much away. I like to surprise you guys. But yeah, trust me. So head over to Patreon. I also only post horror movies on my Patreon. Only one movie will be coming to my channel every year on Halloween. Depends on whichever movie wins the poll. So right now on Patreon, I have The Substance, Pearl, Blink Twice, and I think that's all so far. And coming up will be Smile 2, Maxine, 28 Days Later, 28 Weeks Later, the Scream franchise, Final Destination franchise. So it's about to be lit, okay? But I still do everything on my phone, so I gotta move at a certain pace. I wish I could go faster and just react to everything at once. But yeah, if you're new to my channel as well, my older reactions were full watch-along format. You can still get your own copy to watch anything I watch for free. The list is over on my Patreon as well. You can just join for free to see that list, okay? But you still do need to join, but you can just join for free. You don't have to pay anything, and you can see the list, okay? And you can watch anything, any anime, show, movie for free. Yeah. I believe that's all, you guys. Oh, and you can also support me through Cash App. Just send me something on Real Serene, anything you want to send. Or yeah, or like and subscribe to my channel so you don't forget me if this is your first time here, okay? Now let's see what's about to go down. Said he'll do it. I'm a real titan. Not a real man. He knows better. Probably. Now what that mean? The Titans aren't the only enemy. It's kind of like how people were still doing evil stuff during the zombie apocalypse. Instead of just, like The Walking Dead, instead of just worrying about the zombies, you got to worry about the people, the governor. It's crazy. So imagine all these titans stomping around and you still got to worry about something else. Don't they call that a deserter? I said I can't do it. I don't blame him either. So it's like they're trying to send him into a fight with the Titans. That's what you would think, but that's never what happens. People get even worse. Like, what is it gonna take? God is like, what is it gonna take for y'all to get together? An apocalypse, it seems. Armageddon. What's he doing? What's he pointing at? Commander need a sip, okay? And this is too much. Sir, I'm 16. Wait. Is that water? Oh. I was gonna say if that's water, then my bad. Look, mama had a life, okay? Oh my gosh, I'm not a mama, but you know, figure of speech. Not yet. That was a flask, okay? I feel like sealing that hole is not even worth it though, because they can come over or break through anything. Oh. So he's just telling them about it at this point? Right. Wait. When did we discuss? I mean, we know it, but from what his dad said. Wow. He literally just said it. He was one of our experiments. I'll be like, excuse me? Hold on. You need to clarify that before we move on. I don't know about this. So wherever the rock is, the Titans are, like surrounding it. Why can't you just find another rock? You're already talking about deserting. I understand both sides. He always ready to kill somebody. Look, now or never. Is that the... I can't remember her name, but she's the one that's always eating. I think that's her. Oh my goodness. He's literally just telling them all this. I'm surprised is literally admitting that they sent people out to die. Let's be sure before we risking our lives doing this. Exactly. Sir, well, I was gonna say, are you in the front lines? But he has to have been to make it to Commander. I'm just so shocked he literally just told them we have people we experimented on and then people we sent out to die. And it's just like, huh? We're just gonna skip past that? His name. Where's Monkey Mom? You know she's Aaron's personal bodyguard, okay? Sir, do you have a problem? It's all about alcohol. Okay. But Aaron, I'm in love with you. Oh my gosh, Aaron. Dang. He said I'm not your little brother or your kid, okay? But you are the love of my life. Let's go. I'm getting tired. Monkey Man, he's a big boy, okay? Give him a little room. He got it. He's a whole Titan. He'll be okay. I know, girl. You don't have to tell me. I asked in one of my earlier reactions, what would y'all do? Like, would you fight? Or keep yourself safe? I like I would want to fight, but if I had kids or something, I don't know. They need you. Not the depth set. One step for mankind. Oh, I forgot the, what is it? One small step for man, big step for mankind, or something like that. There you go. Why does it have to be looking like that? Mouth wide open. Eren is a Titan. It's kind of. Don't judge me. Looks like a sexy werewolf. Makima is like, oh. Hold on. Why do they do this to me every time? As soon as I think things are just going okay, did he just punch Makima? Yo, I feel like so is it that when he's in his Titan element, I think like he's like a Titan, basically. Like he can't, well, I don't know, because when he turned that previously, he was helping them fight the other Titans and killing them. But maybe it's just that he doesn't care like who she is. Like he can't recognize the like individual, but he still knows to fight for the humans. But like that's kind of weird because he just straight up punched her, and he's supposed to be helping them. Ciao. Let's get into episode 12. Oh my goodness. Still confused on how the commander just basically exposed that they do experiments and stuff. But I guess really, what can they do? You know, it's like cast out the bag. But it's like, who else is a Titan? Is my question. I feel like, is Armin gonna be a Titan too? Is he? I don't think Makima would be, but I could kind of see Armin for some reason. We'll see though. Maybe not. But let's just get into episode 12. My questions will get answered as I keep going. So, but yeah, definitely let me know in the comments. Without any spoilers, of course, of what's going on. Like, why do the people just accept that? And can Eren think like when he's a Titan, or he's just kind of like an animal like them, you know? And yeah, I just want to say, please comment, you guys, even if you just want to tell me how your day is going, okay? Don't be scared to comment. I'm super nice. I'm ready to talk to you guys. That is why I do these videos and these reactions. I want to build a community over here with like-minded people like me, okay? So don't be scared to comment on any of my videos. But yeah, and shout out to Matthew. Thank you so much for always being here and supporting me and watching my reactions. I hope you know you're enjoying them, and I know you watched Dan 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 and a few other things. I don't know if you watched Attack on Titan as well, but we're starting episode 12 in 3, 2, 1. But yeah, that's why I do these videos, because I could just watch this stuff on my own, you know. But yeah. You know what? I'm gonna watch it regardless, okay? But yeah. Don't forget to check out my Patreon at Real Serene. If you just skipped to episode 12, I do horror movies over on Patreon year round, and you get early access, bloopers. You can send in any special requests you want. Anything you want me to react to, I will watch it and react to it, and you know, edit it that same week, okay? So within 7 days, anything you want me to react to, I will. But that's only a privilege for my Patreon members, because I do have a lot of work to do outside of that and to focus on my main channel anyway. So yeah. I love his last name, Jaeger, because that reminds me of does Jaeger just mean like big thing? I need to look it up. I swear that was the names of the kaijus, or am I tripping? From like Pacific Rim. Does he freaking... Realistically, she should not survive that. But yeah, you guys, if you're new to my channel, I usually let the whole theme song play. That was when I was doing full watch-alongs, which, once again, if you skip to episode 12, I have a whole list of where you can watch animes, movies, TV shows, anything you want for free. You know, just keep it on the low, okay? But I list the places over on Patreon, and you just have to join to see it, and you can just join for free to see that, okay? So you can still watch along with me if you want to, but now I do have the clips for everything I watch, so yeah. And yeah, I was just saying on Patreon for horror movies, I have Pearl, Blink Twice, and The Substance up. Next will be the Scream franchise, Final Destination franchise, 28 Days Later and Weeks Later, Maxine, Black Swan, Nosferatu, okay, a bunch of really good horror movies are coming out. Because I have great taste, okay, so I only like to watch good stuff, which is why I'm watching Attack on Titan, okay? So yeah, this is part 8, once again, still battling for Tross. But yeah, like I said, Makima low-key should not survive that. I don't know what to think. I'm just gonna see what happens. So. I thought he just punched right into her. What's going on? It's like attacking her. Eren, I love you. Don't do this. But no one had to tell him before to kill the other Titans. Wow. I'm confused because he wasn't hurting people before and he had the chance to. But he came in and saved her when she was in between 2 Titans. So what's going on? Oh my gosh. Eren. This guy's like, I should have just left. He gave you a chance to leave though. Clearly their experiment needs some tweaking. I feel like maybe the experiment didn't go all the way right. So, I don't know. It's affecting like how he acts. Like, what is going on with him? He's just down and out. Eren better wake up. I'm done. I'm not sitting there with his tongue out. He's literally smoking. Like all the smoke coming out of him. What is going on? Yeah, she was low-key antagonizing him. No, you're not, girl. Just say you in love with that man. I just can't wait to find out more about this experiment because things aren't adding up. Like, just why does he keep burning out? And it seems like he burns out fast. Why all that smoke coming out of him? What is going on with him? Oh, is he attacking her like that after saving her before? Can he think when he's a Titan, or is he just kind of like in angry Titan mode? This is reminding me of something other than like Venom with the symbiotes. It's something else, so I can't remember. Wake up! this when they did it? Wow. It's like his mind is not there. Night night. When they slice their neck, it's like crazy. Remember when they couldn't fight against them at all? They didn't know about the neck thing. I need to wake Eren up. I like how they all just quickly accepted he was a Titan. I would still be freaked out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Armin was brave for that. Oh my god. Hanson not struck the middle. Oh, but it hit his arm. His mind is with his family. Wake up, sleepyhead. This is Tanjiro and Mugen Train. I don't want to spoil it if you've never seen it, but so fast forward. But he was asleep. Well, that's not really a spoiler. Basically, he was asleep like this. Eren's just like, what? Everything's okay. My family's here. Why do I have to leave? I'm tired. My mom's here. She's alive. Eren, you better wake your up. Time's a ticking. Do you know that you have 30 minutes? Oh no. No, oh my gosh. Not the time. I don't want him to die. I like his character. Can he hide? Yeah, I'm still not. Did I say if the Titans can smell you or not? And wake your butt up. Eren, your mom's dead. Wake up. I'm sorry, like, you know, shock him awake. That's music, though. It's crazy. Wow. Oh my gosh. They're always stopping at the best part. But he awakened Eren, okay? Wow. Yes, you guys, so that was episode 12 of Attack on Titan. We are getting more and more into the lore, okay? And into the backstory and everything. And just how, like, there were experiments and things like that. So I'm excited to see who else is a Titan. I feel like Armin might be one, but maybe not. And I don't know who else. I guess we'll see. Maybe there'll be like new characters and stuff we haven't met yet. But yeah, so Eren was basically stuck in like dreamland, just thinking of his family, like his mom and stuff like that. Like I said, it reminded me of Demon Slayer, which, by the way, I'm going to finish. Once I finish Dandadan and Oshinoko, which I only have like a few episodes of those left, I'm gonna start Monster and Demon Slayer from like season 3. So yeah, but anyway, we'll see. He's about to awaken. So I don't even know what triggered him to go into the deep sleep, because I don't know. I just feel like there's so much information because he was acting different before, when he saved Makima, but now it's like he didn't care. Like he didn't see her as like a person or whatever. So yeah. The show always leaves me speechless. So we'll see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, still waiting to see what happened with his dad and where his dad is right now. And yeah, we're gonna get into the next 2 episodes. So join me next Wednesday for episode 13 and 14. Like I said, there will no longer be such a long wait in between, okay? I'm just gonna focus on this and Dan Da Dan until I finish Dan Da Dan, and then it'll be this and Monster and Demon Slayer. Cause Solo Leveling is like every week, so you know, it's like, you know, airing right now. So yeah. But anyway, yeah, you guys, don't forget to head over to my community posts. I post updates over there all the time, personal updates. Like when I don't upload, if there's a reason or anything, and like what is to come for the week. On Monday, I will be posting my new schedule with all the new shows and how everything is gonna work, and I'm gonna stick with that schedule. I typically stick with the schedule, but my phone and iMovie don't, okay? Because it's usually, that's the reason why I'm behind on stuff, but you know, I've had to clear out some space on my phone, so it is moving a little faster and stuff now, okay? But I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Let me know anything you want me to know about Attack on Titan in the comments that is not a spoiler, okay? Just any information or anything you can tell me about these episodes that won't spoil what's to come, okay, you guys? Because I do not play with spoilers. I want to enjoy it and be surprised, just like you guys when you got to watch it the first time, okay? So yeah. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you on the next one. Remember that God loves you very, very much, each and every one of you. And I'm rooting for you. I hope you're rooting for me as well. And enjoy the rest of your time. It is the most valuable thing we have, okay? And yeah, bye.